Walk cycles are not easy to animate. They're actually quite difficult, even for the most seasoned animator. You see, the more experienced animators know that the smallest details matter, and in a walk cycle, there are a lot of small details. Less experienced animators don't pay attention to these smaller details, which is why it's quite amusing to hear senior animators humbly admit that walk cycles are quite difficult to animate, while junior animators say, walk cycles? Psst, it's too easy. Just give me something more challenging. If you hang around animators in a cafeteria long enough, I promise you will hear this type of conversation. When you're animating a walk, you want to have a simple workflow to help you navigate through all of these smaller details, a GPS, if you will, to help you better understand what to animate first, in what order, and why. A very important part of this simple workflow is understanding the importance of a base walk cycle. This is the structural aspect of your walk, which looks very vanilla at first glance, but it is really the foundation to building a proper walk cycle. Have you ever seen construction workers pouring concrete for the foundation of a new house and said to yourself, wow, look at that concrete, it's beautiful? I highly doubt it. Now, I bet that when you revisited that construction site again after the house was finished, you probably said to yourself, wow, that's a beautiful house. I remember when they were pouring the concrete. Amazing. The base walk cycle. It doesn't look very pretty at first glance, but it is the essential building block to animating a great walk cycle. Now, I totally understand your frustration when it comes to animating walk cycles. Everyone has a different opinion. Some say do this, some say do that, and then you find yourself browsing Instagram or Facebook for no apparent reason. It's called procrastination. But procrastination no more. With my simple workflow that I've battle tested for years, you will know exactly how to animate a walk cycle to get the results you want. You can sign up to my waiting list. The link is in the description of this video. Let's have a little fun transforming the confident, upbeat, energetic walk that you will learn to create in my course. We'll focus on the side profile view of our walk to keep things simple. First up, the original walk. This is the walk we'll be creating together in my course, but you can easily make this walk look any which way you want. The possibilities are endless. Let's say you wanted a more tough guy look. No problemo, we can do that. How about a little something more flamboyant? We can do that too. What's that? You want some swag in your walk? Sure, why not? Keep in mind, I'm making a few minor adjustments to the upper body, which only takes approximately 5 minutes to do, to easily change the entire look and personality type of this walk. If I can transform this walk in under 5 minutes, imagine the possibilities if I had 1 hour, or 3 hours, or even 5 hours to work on it. The possibilities of walk variations with this simple workflow that I'll be teaching you in my course are literally endless. I'm curious to know what type of personality you would give your walk cycle. Comment below. Don't forget to sign up to my waiting list to get notified when the course is ready. The link is in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all on the next one.